Hello, today we will guide you through how to auto-number questions. In Qualtrics, if you're organizing a survey and want your questions to follow a clean, consistent numbering pattern, Qualtrics has a built-in tool that makes this easy. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the process of turning on automatic numbering so your survey questions are labeled in a structured way. To begin, open your survey in the Qualtrics Edit Survey area. This is where you manage the layout, wording, and settings for each question in your project. Once you're in the survey editor, look toward the top of the page for the Tools menu. This menu contains several survey-wide options, including question formatting and organization features. Click on Tools to open the drop-down. From there, select Auto Number Questions. This opens the auto numbering settings, where you can decide how you want Qualtrics to label the questions in your survey. This is especially useful if you have a longer survey or if you want respondents and collaborators to be able to reference questions more easily. In the auto numbering settings, click on the current numbering format option, which may appear as something like Q1.1. This lets you choose the numbering style that will be applied. After opening that option, select Internal ID. This setting changes the numbering reference style and gives you access to another formatting choice. Next, click on Sequential. Choosing Sequential tells Qualtrics to number your questions in a simple, continuous order, rather than using a more complex structure. This is often the clearest option when you want straightforward numbering from one question to the next. Once Sequential is selected, take a brief moment to confirm that the setting is active. It's a good habit to quickly review the selection before applying it, especially if you're working in a survey with multiple blocks or previously customized numbering. When everything looks correct, click Apply. Qualtrics will then update the numbering format for your survey questions based on the option you selected. After applying the change, you can scroll through your survey to verify that the numbering appears the way you expect. That's all it takes to auto-number questions in Qualtrics. This small adjustment can make your survey easier to review, edit, and discuss, particularly during testing or team collaboration. If you're making additional edits afterward, it's worth checking that your numbering still matches the final structure of the survey. Thanks for following along, and that's how to auto-number questions in Qualtrics.